And a good morning to you, everyone. We've got a dangerous and potentially life-threatening severe weather situation that will be unfolding today across the central Gulf states, the Deep South, and into the Tennessee Valley. A major tornado outbreak is expected this afternoon and evening, with numerous powerful tornadoes likely, including some that could be long-tracked and potentially violent. That means some tornadoes could be on the ground for miles, causing widespread damage. The highest risk you see there in the purple area, that is a high risk, a level 5 out of 5. That is fairly rare for the Storm Prediction Center to put out here. And so the risk is extremely high for tornadoes today. So if you are in Mississippi and Alabama, be weather alert today. Be weather alert. Right now, the storms are in the Louisiana area into western Mississippi, and they're going to continue to fire up and supercells pop up and then form in a line here later today. So widespread damage is likely here. So the most dangerous conditions begin as they are right now in eastern Louisiana and Mississippi late this morning into the afternoon hours before spreading to Alabama a little bit later today and into the evening. By tonight, the threat will move into the western parts of Georgia and the Florida Panhandle. So you're all in the line of fire here for these severe storms. This is not just another round of storms. This is a serious situation that does require immediate attention when storms are in your area. So if you live in these areas, now's the time to prepare. If you don't live in the area, but you know somebody who is in the area, who lives there, who maybe is on spring break right now, give them a call. Make sure they know the serious nature of these storms today. So check your emergency plans. Make sure you've got your safe place ready to go. Stay away from windows. If you do become in a tornado warning there, you get to the lowest level of your home, preferably the basement. If not, the first floor there, putting as many walls between you and the outside as possible. So make sure your plans are ready to go and stay weather alert throughout the day. We're going to be tracking these storms here. We're going to be tracking these storms. Let's move over to radar. And let me just show you exactly where we're at right now for this update. Let me switch over here to the radar. Okay, so the yellow there is a tornado watch for another 2.5 hours. That does include areas of Louisiana and Mississippi. And we do currently have one tornado warning right now, one tornado warning. So let's take a look at this. This is radar indicated here with this. It was, okay, so the damage threat's considerable. It is a PDS tornado, meaning a particularly dangerous situation with that. So tornado warning remains in effect until 10:45 local time. For Carroll Parish, Washington, Northwestern, Issaquah, and Sharkey counties here. So large and extremely tornado was located near Mayersville at about 10:15, so about 5 minutes ago, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Okay, so that's where my confusion is. The text here says it's a confirmed tornado. The damage is considerable, but up here it says radar indicated. So that's my confusion there of exactly if there's a tornado on the ground or not. But this is a PDS tornado warning, meaning a particularly dangerous situation. With that here, let's take a look at the velocity and where the reds and greens here and the brighter colors, when they come together here, this right here is where the rotation is taking place. So this is where the rotation is taking place here with that. And let's take a look at the correlation coefficient. Okay, so just take a look at some things here on the radar with this, but yeah, the rotation is in this area right here. So in that area right there. So if you're in the Mayersville area, all right, or anywhere north and northeast of it, you need to be taking shelter right now. A particularly dangerous situation is going on. And so this is just the very beginning here, the morning hours. And then what's going to happen here is these storms are going to fire up here and become severe. All the ingredients are there. When I say all the ingredients are there for some large, violent tornadoes today. Let's go back to the map here so you can see exactly what I'm talking about here. So a high risk of severe weather, there it is with that here. And so that purple area, okay, is a high risk, a level 5 out of 5. The ingredients are there. And then the moderate risk and the reddish color there, and then the enhanced risk in the orange color. The yellow would be a slight risk of severe weather with that. So if you're anywhere in the colored area, specifically inside the brown, the red, the purple, you need to be weather aware today because tornadoes are likely in your area. We're going to be around throughout the day. Myself, fellow meteorologist, are going to be around to help you out through the storm here. So I just wanted to check in here this morning with that. But again, we do have a PDS. Oops, I went to go to the radar here. We do have a PDS tornado warning. A PDS tornado warning here in Louisiana. All right, just north and east of Lake Providence. All right, just north and east of Lake Providence here. Goes for another 22 miles per hour. We've got golf ball size hail with this. This is just the beginning of what's going to be a very, very long day if you live in the deep south here. So be weather aware. We'll be around and give you updates as it changes here. Thanks for joining.